Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, Bitcoin pushes above $62,500 on July 4th, and Strategy CEO's bold 10-year vision. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Bitcoin is trading at about $62,400, up 6.7% over the past 4 days and 2.8% over the past month. The most striking metric remains the 4-year comparison. Bitcoin has surged 223% since July 4th, 2022, when it traded at just about $19,300 during the depths of the bear market. Story 5, Bitcoin climbed to about $62,600 during July 4th trading, marking a symbolic recovery on America's 250th Independence Day. The move represents a 6.7% gain from 4 days prior and continues Bitcoin's rebound from June lows. The price action comes amid renewed institutional interest and improving technical indicators. Several analysts point to the $60,000 level as critical support that has held through multiple tests in recent weeks. The broader point is not the headline alone, but what it tells us about Bitcoin's place in the financial system. Story 4. Tiger Research released a report declaring the worst of the bear market has most likely already happened, marking a notable sentiment shift from a research firm that has historically maintained cautious positions. The analysis points to recent price stability and institutional accumulation as key indicators. Bitcoin's 6.7% gain over the past 4 days supports the thesis, with the asset holding above $60,000 despite months of volatility. The firm joins a growing chorus of analysts suggesting capitulation is complete, though macro headwinds including central bank policy and geopolitical uncertainty remain. Story 3. Michael Saylor outlined Bitcoin's governance structure in a series of posts, explaining how protocol changes require alignment among 3 stakeholder groups: nodes, transaction power; miners, computer power; and holders, economic power. Changes only prevail when validation, security, and capital align through dynamic consensus. Saylor emphasized that other forms of influence, brand, legal, political, technical, institutional, cultural, and physical power, cannot directly settle consensus. Instead, they exert second-order influence by persuading, coordinating, constraining, or mobilizing the 3 primary stakeholder groups. Story 2. Law enforcement shifts position on Crypto Clarity Act. 2 major law enforcement organizations changed their stance on crypto legislation within 24 hours, signaling momentum for the Crypto Market Structure Bill. The National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives became the first major law enforcement agency to endorse the Clarity Act, while the major county sheriffs of America shifted from opposition to neutral. The moves remove significant political obstacles that have historically blocked crypto legislation. Law enforcement concerns about illicit use have long provided cover for congressional opposition, making these reversals particularly meaningful. Story 1. Strategy's CEO, Phong Le, delivered a bold 10-year vision for Bitcoin, stating it will become the digital reserve asset of the world, with importance matching the US dollar. Lee predicted governments worldwide will hold Bitcoin, positioning Strategy as the largest corporate holder globally. This marks a continuation of Strategy's aggressive accumulation strategy under Michael Saylor's influence. For Bitcoin, the signal is that corporate balance sheet adoption is becoming more deliberate, more liquid, and more institutional. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.